In this exercise, we will learn the Note tool.
The Note tool is basically used for us to create text notes on specific parts of an image area. We can save specific messages for a specific part of any image to remind us what we will do with this part or any info about the part of the image. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, if I right-click on the eyedropper tool, we can find the Note tool underneath the ruler tool. Or you can press Shift and I many times to select this tool. Okay, now I have selected this tool. Okay, if I want to say that I will remove this window later, then you can click on this window, something like that, and you can see here, Notes window is open, and we can put the message here. It may be removed. And if we want to remove this window, we can do the same thing. Just click and put your text here. Okay, if I want the Can't See Notes window, then you can go to Window, and we have Notes here. Check this mark on, and we can put as many notes as we want. Also, we can change the color of our notes. Just click on that and change to this color and OK. And you can see we have different colors. Okay, if I want to clear all, just click on it, and here is a pop-up window open to tell us, are you sure you want to delete all notes? If we want to delete them, then press OK. And if you don't want to delete them, then hit Cancel. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Count tool.